So a lot of times people underestimate how easy it is to use the tripod, but also how critical it is to have it set up correctly. I'll go over a common mistake we see, but really with the tripod, it's basically just setting it up, pulling it down, making sure the two white arrows are connected. Once you've done that, then you're just pulling it out and securing the last 2 points. Now, interestingly enough, if you set the camera up correctly, you're good to go. Whether you're using our new DS camera or our old SC2, the camera height is going to be critical. This is where people sometimes run into problems. On this base, they'll sometimes not secure the base all the way. As you can imagine, if you're going around and you're putting the camera up and down, setting it up just under normal use, you can see that I've dramatically altered this because I didn't crank it down. Now I've done that to be dramatic in this case, but it will impact how high the camera lens is. That's going to impact your accuracy. We know that accuracy is the most important thing. Therefore, making sure both of these are secure and that bottom clamp is tightened all the way down, that's going to lead you to have a successful tripod use and capture.